Hello, how are you all? Hope you are watching my videos. And we have been speaking on soft skills and words and all. So, this is the second step of my word. That is, I have mentioned here as word network. Earlier in the last video, we have seen as new English words learn easily we have seen, and vocabulary learning techniques and all we have been speaking, like choosing the English newspaper without fear, and how to build up the words and how to connect the words with its synonyms and so and all. So here in the next second step of my video, we are going to make a word network. We can say it is word connect or something like that. Okay, so here in the last video, we have taken the word wet. And for that wet, we have seen synonyms, antonyms, and I have suggested you to see more of my synonyms, antonyms, and so on. And now, this is my second video, that is on words, which is called word network, as I mentioned above. That is how to build your vocabulary fast. Okay, so here vocabulary means, once again I would like to say that it is a strange words which is called new words. Okay, now let us take a word, a small word, and how we can connect, how the word has a wide network we are going to see here. So now let us take the word, let us build for the word create. Okay, when you take this create, this is the chart I have maintained here, and I have collected and written, and while I was writing more than 10 words, guys, I myself got some ideas of how to prefix and how to make suffix and so on. Now let us get into the video. So first let us take a word create. Now, as I said before in my last video, that is synonym of it, antonym of it. Now, when you take this synonym of the word create, so when you see that it is called innovate. Create means something new we are going to create. Innovate. And then originate. Origin means at the starting. Make. Create also we can say make. Okay. Then produce. And we can say build, as we have seen in the slide, build, start. So starting the work or creating a work, whatever it may be. So creation means we will say, for example, if you do a recipe or if you do anything new thing, for example, if you are making a paper boat, you can say that it is my own creation. If you just design any what I can say, any fancy items or something you have painted or you have written a book, we will say that it is my own creation. Okay, so that creation leads to innovation, producing, building, organizing. We can see all the similar words. So I have said in my last video, synonyms are called similar words, which is very close to that, like initiate, construct, discover, set up, form, coin, erect, beget, like these are all the words. Now guys, here I would like to tell you is innovate, originate. These are the words which are all in the long-term memory, so that we can write as innovate, originate, produce and all. Now when you see the slide, guys, there is a new word which is, in the second one it is called formulate. Okay, and then compose. Yes, create is also called compose. Compose, where have you seen? You will often see in your email. So compose. And erect. Erect means, starting. Coin also it is. So these are the new words which we can know from, we know already. Coin is a word we can know as a coin. But when you just similarize, when you just relate to the word create, you can get a new word like start, beget. Beget is also create, afford. These are the words which might not be, for example, which we can't get from our long-term memory, but we can see through the dictionary. And for your sake, I have connected the word afford, and we are going to see like this. propagate, rise, raise, and so on. And antonym, so this is the opposite words, similar words, synonyms, opposite words, antonym. Create means start, stop. And innovate, finish. Then originate, ignore. Like that, when you see the words, we can get this. Build, fail. Formulate, neglect. And generate, deny. Okay, construct, deconstruct. Discover, destroy. Set up, disorder. See, when you see the slide, initiate, ruin. Okay, compose, scatter. Okay, and then coin, conceal. Conceal means that is hiding it. Okay, and then start, stop, which we have already seen. And beget, start means halt. Start means stop, but halt is also another word. Okay, so this is the relative antonyms. So when you see guys here, more than 25 words, up to this itself we are getting 25 words. And then another word, which is the vocabulary. Here starts the vocabulary. So far we have seen only related words, like very small words like formulate, innovate, produce, compose and all. But the new word, what are the new words we have got here? Beget, afford, okay, propagate. And these are all the new words which are the dictionary words which we have found from the dictionary. So you are not memorizing here. You are just studying along with me how you have to relate. I am also studying along with you guys. Okay. So propagate means automatically the opposite word is deplete. And then today I have connected in this video along with synonyms and antonyms. In my last video I have told only on synonyms, similar words and opposite antonyms. But here the second step I have connected prefix and suffix. What is prefix? When you fix any words before a word, that is prefix. For example, when you say make, I can say it is remake. When I say produce, I can say it is reproduce. Okay. When I say origin, I can say it is non-origin. So like that, I have prefixed the word which you can study from the video, that is reconstruct, reform, decompose, kickstart, mispropagate. These are all the new words. And let us go to the suffix. Successor, pre and before, and sa means at the last, suffix. So we can say that innovate, innovation, origination, build, building, formulate, formulation, deny, deniable. I have given meaning for also what you do not know the new words. I have given the meaning within the bracket, you can see. And recognize, abandon, initiative, coin, coinage. And you have to see one important thing guys here. So here I have given kickstart, one of the new word and prefix, and another word is annihilate. Annihilate I have given here. Annihilate means destroy. So this is a new word which actually ate is a suffix here. So I have given here. And tumble is a new word, that is a dictionary word. Fall or flop. Tumble, fall or flop. And then affix, reproduce, reproducible, demolish, dismantle, distress, demote. Demote means promotion. Opposite of promotion is demote. In what way a promote is related to create? Create means creating or innovating. So promote is also similar word to create. See how the words are coined? This is the word network guys. Okay. And then topple. Topple is a new word which we are learning from here. If you do not have patience to see the dictionary, when you watch this video, you are going to get the command on words. Okay. So topple means collapse, plunge, prolong. So the specialization of this video is coming to the related words guys. So when you come to the related words, embellish. Embellish means shining or polishing. And denounce, which is the related words of destroy. Condemn is also, it is an antonym, but it is antonym of creation, destroy. Create means destroy. So destroy, the nearest word is condemn. And overlook, discern. No, when you see that, the most related word we have got here is apprehend. So apprehend means catching that. Comprehend means, completely knowing the full meaning. But apprehend means just you can catch the sight or understand easily, you can say. Apprehend means it's also understand. See, again I want to signify where this video specialize, all the words given here like originate, build, start, formulate, design, these are all normal words which we can get without seeing the dictionary. But after seeing the dictionary, when you see here, beget, propagate, these are the words: tumble, topple, plunge, prolong, and dismantle, and embellish, discern, apprehend, kickstart. These are all the words which we have learnt with the help of the dictionary. Okay, so this is the specialization of this video. This is the second step, and my next videos come up with GRE, TOEFL vocabulary words. We will move to the third step, like seeing somewhat difficult words. In our first video, we have seen only small words which is very catchy words, like wet, dry and all. And in my second video, what I am saying, I am just relating how the prefix, suffix and all. And in my third video, we are going to move to the toughest words. And now the people, those who are preparing for competitive exams, be ready for it. Okay, you are going to get useful of the upcoming videos. I am going to give you an example of from bank exam question papers and vocabulary, from railway exams and all. So you are going to get useful of this, guys. Let us meet in the next video. If you like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you, guys. We will meet in the next video.